Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to make vegetable dum biryani. So let's start. I am preparing for 3 people, so I have taken 2 cups of Basamati rice. You can take rice according to your serving plates. Wash it thoroughly and soak it for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's cut the vegetables. Here I have taken potato, paneer, carrot, beans, peas. Peas are boiled peas. To give rice a nice flavor, we are going to add few spices in the boiling water like bay leaf, cinnamon stick, cardamom, cloves and a teaspoon of jeera. Quantity of spices depends on how strong flavor you want in the rice. When the water is heated nicely, add all the spices into it. Here I have added 4 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. Next, add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. It gives rice a bright color. Next, add a little oil, which helps rice to become non-sticky. The rice has been soaked for 20 minutes. After that, we are adding it into the boiling water. Remember that you should cook rice only 80% and the remaining 20% will be cooked when we give it a dum. While the rice is cooking, we will prepare marinade for veggies. For that, add 3 to 4 spoons of curd. In masalas, we will add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of chilli powder and 4 spoons of biryani masala. Add 1 tablespoon of jeera, ¾ tablespoon of turmeric powder. Adding turmeric powder is optional. Now I am adding 2 green chillies. Add mint leaves and coriander leaves. And at last 2 tablespoons of salt. Give it a very nice mix. Now we will add all the cut vegetables. You can also add more vegetables of your choice. Mix everything well. After mixing, we will keep it aside and let's check on the rice. As you can see, rice is 80% cooked. You can check it by breaking any grain. It should easily break. Now drain all the water from the rice and spread it on a plate. Let it rest till we prepare the masala. Before preparing masala, first we will prepare berista, that is fried onions. Here I have added 3 tablespoons of oil and I am adding cut onions. Fry the onions on medium flame till they turn completely brown. You can get these ready-made also in the market, or you can also prepare at home like shown. Now the onions have turned into completely brown color. Now take out all the onions and put in a plate and keep them aside. In the same vessel I will prepare masala. So for that I have taken 4 tablespoons of ghee. You can also add oil, but ghee gives a nice flavor to biryani. To this I am adding 2 tablespoons of cashew nuts, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 clove and 1 cardamom. Fry all the spices until the cashews become golden brown color. As you can see, the cashews are turning into golden brown. So now you can add 1 tablespoon of jeera. Fry for another half minute and then we'll add the marinated veggies. I am adding only 3/4 quantity of marinated veggies and keeping the rest for later purpose where we prepare layers for biryani. Mix well and cook the vegetables only 80%. Do not overcook because again we will be cooking them while giving dum. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add salt according to your taste. I'm adding a little bit of curd. You can also add water instead, but I prefer curd. After everything is mixed properly, we will add peas. These are half boiled peas, so that's why we are adding it at a later stage. Now we have cooked vegetables for about 10 minutes. We will start layering the biryani. I am adding rice on top of vegetables as a first layer. Spread the rice evenly. In first layer, I am adding fried onions and some mint leaves. You can also add coriander leaves if you want, and then ghee on top of it. Similarly, I am adding rice for second layer. Spread it evenly. In second layer, I am topping it with left out marinated veggies with some ghee. Now I am preparing the last layer with mint leaves and remaining fried onions and ghee. You can also add saffron if you have, or else no problem. You can make more or less layers with different toppings. Now there are different ways of giving dum to the biryani, but here we are giving dum by covering all the sides with wheat dough so that the lid will be intact and no air can escape from the cooker. You can also give dum by placing the cooker under a iron tawa. Apply a little bit of water on top of the dough and cover it with a plate by keeping some heavy object on top of the plate. Cook it for 15 to 20 minutes in a low flame. After 20 minutes, we will check the biryani. It should be ready by now. Remove the dough carefully. You can see biryani is well cooked. You should not mix the biryani and serve it with layers. Also, rice is perfectly cooked. You can see each is grained separately. Serve it hot in a plate. You can have it with cold raita. Please try it at home and leave comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you.